Hey awesome tribe, today I'm grateful to something very unusual. Not many people become grateful to this. Today I'm grateful to all the difficulties of life that I have faced. Yes, many a times when we think about gratitude or when we want to be grateful, we always be grateful for all the good things, and we should be grateful for all the good things in life, all the blessings. But at the same time, we should be grateful for all the difficulties that we have faced in life, so that because of those adversities, because of those difficulties, there are times when we awaken the inner self and we try to understand our life, why things are happening like this, what am I doing, or what kind of belief system I am carrying inside, or can I do something more, can I learn something more, can I understand better way how to be successful, how the universe works, how my mind works. And that's when we look forward in life, become a better person, to improve ourselves, to become someone better in terms of mentally, emotionally, physically, financially. And that's when we get the desire to achieve success and become someone more powerful, more successful in life. And that's why today I feel grateful to all the difficulties, all the adversities that I have faced in my life, because of which I could able to understand how the universe works. I could able to get it into this path and understand that I have to share this wisdom with more people, so that they can also overcome their adversities, their difficulties, and achieve their dreams. So that's why today I am grateful. And on this great gratitude day 6, I want you to let me know in the comment what you are grateful for today, and are you also being grateful to all the difficulties that you have faced so far? If you are not, it's time for you to look at difficulties, especially the difficulties and adversities that you have overcome in the past, in a very different way. And that's when you will have a lot more positivity to do bigger things. So thank you, and let me know in the comment what you are grateful for today. Thank you so much.